Hi everyone, this is Olga. Welcome back on my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to paint a realistic line on your face. First step is sponging the background colors, creating the muzzle area and the other features. I'm using one side of the sponge to apply the paint and the other side of it to blend it out. Make sure that both the paint and the sponge aren't too wet. Using a medium-sized filbert brush, I'm applying darker shadows and creating the fur effect. I'm shaping the eyes using the sharp side of the brush. I had to paint the eyes underneath my eyebrows, but if you are going to recreate this look on a model, then I suggest you to paint the eyes directly on the eyelids. I couldn't do it on myself because the paint would smudge away pretty fast. For painting the eyes, I'm using a round brush and yellow face paint, adding some shade to the top with copper. The lion has a big wide nose. I'm painting the center of it in pink and then outlining the shape with black. As you already know, you may find all the materials used in the description box underneath the video. I am outlining the eyes, making sure that the bottom outline is round, and to add more realism to the eyes, I'm blending out the black top into the iris. If you're not yet familiar with my artwork, then I suggest you to check out my other videos. I have lots of tutorials filmed for both kids face painting and fine art. Using a small blending brush, I'm blending out the edges on the nose and wherever else needed. For the whiskers, I'm first applying a reddish background color and then I'm adding black dots in brows, making sure that they all converge in the focal point directly in the center of the muzzle. Blending again and adding some more fur texture with white. Using a skinny round brush, I'm painting the whiskers, starting with the white ones and adding some black ones at the end. Last but not least, I'm transforming my hair into May. All done. I hope you enjoyed. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Don't forget to check me out on Facebook and Instagram, and see you soon. Bye bye.